I have here something that I've been using so much lately. This is a Deity Pocket Wireless. So I've been using this a lot for my vlogs, and I've actually been using it a lot for my talking head. This makes things so much easier because I'm actually a type of person that moves around a lot. You guys watch a lot of my videos, you know that I can't sit still when I make some of these videos. Even when I talk in real life, if you met me in real life, you know I kind of move. I'm very animated, you know what I'm saying? So sitting here and like, let's say I'm going back here and I'm talking to you guys, the audio is changing as I'm talking. The audio is changing as I'm talking. So this really helps that problem. This is the Pocket Wireless. It comes with these. One is the receiver and one is the microphone. The way you can tell the difference is this one actually has a microphone on top. And this one goes right on top of your camera. All you do is just clip this into the hot shoe mount. And you know what? Let me get a camera. This basically just clips onto the hot shoe mount. It actually clips onto any camera. You got any camera that has a hot shoe mount. And hey babe. This clips onto any camera that has a hot shoe mount. So it's just like a regular clip. There's nothing really on there, but it stays, you know, it does not fall off, so you don't ever have to worry about something like that. All you have to do is the on button is right here, and you just need to click that. You charge this by USB Type-C. To connect this microphone with this receiver, all you have to do is just press the connect button once and press it on this one, and that's it. We're done. That's how easy it is to connect these two together. This one, you can honestly clip it just like this, just like that. And if you want to talk, you can talk like this and you're good to go. Or the coolest part is you can connect a lav mic. This lav mic isn't just like you just plug it in and you're good to go. I mean, you can do that, but it also has a tightening ring so you don't accidentally drop this out. So now it never falls out, so you don't have to worry about it. That way, I can put this into my pocket, just like this, turn it on, put it in my pocket. Oh yeah, I forgot this part. You're gonna need this to connect to the receiver onto your camera. So for example, let's say you're using this camera, you just connect this to that. So this actually has to look like this. Without this cable, it's not gonna work. Should have said that in the beginning, but you know, better now than later. To charge this as well is just USB Type-C, which makes things a lot easier. It does come with this wind muffler, so you can put this on top without the lav mic, or you can have this onto this lav mic, okay? The wind muffler right there. Personally, I would take this off because I usually have this taped underneath my shirt, so it hides everything. You may think, yeah, we've seen this before because other brands has already made this. This actually can go into your phone as well. Right here, you can plug this right into your phone, just from the receiver to your phone, and now you can have great audio from your phone. You don't have to just use your iPhone or Android audio anymore. You can just plug it right in, and it works as well. How cool is that? So now anybody who's just recording YouTube videos with your phone, you're good to go. Get this, get better audio, because audio is really what matters the most. Well, next to content, and then audio, and then video. Yeah. That's literally what I have learned, because good audio sounds just so nice in the ear. All right, I'm gonna hook this up with the lav mic, and then I'm gonna read you guys the description, and we're gonna get to the price. Before I continue the rest of this video, if you have already found this video helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button. In this channel, I talk about photography, videography, tech review, and camera tips and tricks. And if you guys do like that content, go down there, hit the subscribe button right now, and then let's continue this video. All right, I just switched this out to the lav mic. As you guys can see, it's clipped onto my shirt. The benefit of this is that I can stand up, and it doesn't matter if I'm facing the camera or I'm facing away from the camera. The audio will still be just as good. And let's test it out by reading off the specs of this lav mic. This Pocket Wireless from Deity is $169. $169. That's actually not bad for having great sounds. And sound is all that matters in a video. Well, next to content, because that's important too. And then it comes to sound, and then it comes to video. That being said, this Pocket Wireless can last up to 5 hours. That's a long time. Actually, that's like 4 videos, maybe 5 videos, depending on how hard you guys shoot. But you guys can charge this with USB Type-C and you're pretty much good. It can offer long range transmission up to 50 meters. 50 meters. Just think about that. That's a really far distance. I can pretty much walk pretty far. I can stand over here. I can stand over here. It features a locking 3.5 millimeter lavalier mic input. Remember that little gold thing I told you that it locks onto it so it doesn't slip out? Especially right now that it's like on my pocket. It doesn't slip out if I accidentally hit it, but let's just cover it. Let's pretend it's not even there at all. The receiver showcased a super bright 1-inch OLED screen. The receiver right on top of the camera. That receiver will show you that it's on. It actually shows you an OLED stuff on it so you guys can see information on it. One button syncing. User-friendly. I love user-friendly stuff. Biggest reason why I have some user-friendly product. Nowadays, I just want things to connect super easily. Like pressing a single button on top of the lav mic and then pressing the single button on top of this and it syncs up. That's really all I want. I don't want to mess with it, find the settings, find the Bluetooth, sync it up, you know what I mean. Those things are what this Deity Pocket Wireless offers. I really like it. I like the fact that it does this. I like the fact that I can hook this up, and I like the fact that it can be used on a cell phone. So I'm always moving around. I'm never in one place, as you guys can see. That's why I need autofocus. Without this autofocus, my whole video would be out of focus. That's why I can't use a camera like a GH5 because I don't sit still. I'm weird. If you guys see me in real life, I don't sit still and talk. I'm always moving around. So this actually helps out a lot. Okay. My light just died. 1 second. Let me know what you guys think in the comment below. Would you get this mic? Is this worth it? Because I honestly think this mic is really worth it, and you guys will definitely see this mic in a future video. I actually use this while I'm sitting down reviewing products because I sometimes don't like the shotgun mic being up there. Like I said, I do move around, but this mic will definitely be with me when I'm doing vlogs. It just makes things a lot easier, hooking this up and having something small up there. And then plus it's less intimidating when you're doing vlogs. Having a lav mic is way less intimidating than having a big shotgun mic on top of your camera. All right, you guys, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. My name's Andy. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Later.